Some configuration information of the new 3 Series has been announced at BMW. The new car will no longer offer the entry-level 320i/Li and 325i/Li M Sports Night Package Series models, with Speedy blue and Brooklyn grey colors replacing the Portimao blue and Melbourne red paintwork. The new 3 Series is expected to arrive at dealerships in August and officially go on sale in September. In terms of M Sport Night Package models, the new 3 Series is expected to be equipped with a blacked-out waterfall kidney grille. This design is currently only available for the 320 Series M Sport package. Additionally, the new car will have 2 wheel styles and a new BMW Brilliance logo on the rear. In terms of interior, the new 3 Series will be equipped with a flat-bottom M Sport steering wheel, and ambient lighting will be added to the air conditioning outlets. The new car offers a variety of interior options, including jet black matte interior, aluminum diamond interior, light-colored fine-grain premium wood trim and smoke gray ash premium wood trim. Owners can also choose crystal-textured interior components such as the electronic gear lever, start button and iDrive button. In terms of power, the new 3 Series will continue to be equipped with the 2.0T engine, but only the 325 and 330 models will be retained. The maximum power of these models is 135 kilowatts and 180 kilowatts respectively, and the peak torque is 300 Nm and 400 Nm respectively. In terms of transmission system, all models of the new car will be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and will be rear-wheel drive.